At Clean Energy, we're on a mission to create a healthier planet with renewable natural gas. If your fleet has access to a private time-fill lot, you can fuel your CNG vehicle overnight. You'll connect your parked vehicle to the dispenser hose at the end of your shift, and when you return the next day, you'll be fueled up and ready to go. Always start by locating the emergency shutdown button. To prepare for fueling, open the fuel door and remove the dust cover. Wipe the area clean if necessary. Remove the fuel nozzle from the dispenser. Inspect the hose and nozzle for any signs of damage to ensure they're functioning properly. Connect the nozzle to the fuel receptacle until you hear a click. Then, secure the nozzle to the fuel port by rotating the handle. That's it! When you return to your vehicle the next day, the tank will be full. Simply rotate the nozzle handle to release the fuel dispensing hose. Briefly pause halfway through the rotation to allow the gas to fully vent. You may feel a little kickback and hear a popping noise as the pressure releases. Remove the hose and place it back in the nozzle holster. Then return the fuel cap to the receptacle and close the fuel door. For questions or assistance, contact Clean Energy's 24/7 response line at 866-278-3674. Clean Energy, shifting carbon into reverse.